Fantastic weather, at least for now, but once again, we're in that summertime pattern where we're looking at a chance for some storms as we're heading into the afternoon. Just kind of a gorgeous look at those clouds, some cumulus rolling in. Called it partly cloudy is what it looks like to me. And the airport agrees, 80 degrees for your temperature. Winds out of the south, 6 miles an hour, and the barometer 29, 9600. So just slightly on the low side. Dew point also coming at 65 degrees. So we still have a little bit of moisture out there, generally 65. It's kind of that cutoff. Anything below that, we say it's not really humid, and we start to say some low humidity is out there at 65 or greater with the dew point. Measure of moisture at the surface. Here's a look at the risk that we have today. This is a severe weather risk map. The Storm Prediction Center puts it out every day. We're under a marginal risk today. We do expect to see some storms, mainly showers, but some storms also developing for the afternoon and the evening hours. Now, while most of this, nearly all of it, won't be severe, can't rule out completely maybe one or two severe cells coming in. And here's radar at this point. Already just ahead of a boundary that's going to be sliding in, bringing some warmer weather our way. We're already starting to see, you can see right there, a decent cell that's coming in. We'll zoom in. Now, this is over into Ohio at this point. There's the East Liverpool area, Ohioville as well. This storm right on top of the Yellow Creek area there. Look at the probability of hail high there, and that's going to mean that the precipitation rate is going to be way up there because it's going to be sending in with those ice cubes that are in it, high precipitation rate. So even though it shows that we're seeing a lot of rain, and we are, probably not as much as 4.5 inches an hour. The good news, it's moving to the east at 16 miles an hour. You can see the Wellsville area, Newell and LaCroft is all going to be in the path of that. This is going to likely, within the next 30 minutes or so, cross over into Pennsylvania, over just north of Hookstown. You can see that there, so it'll be over into both northern parts of Washington and Beaver County is what it looks like at this point. For us, we're going to be expecting spotty showers, and our best chance for rain is going to come from 4 o'clock through about 8 o'clock. And if we see anything severe, that's most likely the time that we're going to do that. There's that line of showers coming through and moving out by 9 o'clock or so. Most of the overnight hours should be dry. I will say maybe an isolated shower here or there. And then tomorrow, just a 30% chance for rain, and that might actually be on the high side. We did bump it up from 20% yesterday, so we'll watch closely there. More rain is expected as we're heading into your Saturday. That will likely be in the afternoon hours, and we have the Saturday rain chance right there at 40%. Best chance for rain over the weekend actually comes today. I guess it's not technically the weekend. And then next Wednesday, we also have a solid chance for some rain, just scattered chances for rain over the weekend is what it looks like at this point. Here's your temperatures this hour: 80 in Pittsburgh, Latrobe 81, Butler 80 degrees, Washington at 78. We're expecting a high of about 83, so we're almost there. It'll really depend. Days like today depend on when and where that rain comes in, just how high you're getting. But we'll go 83 for Pittsburgh, just a couple of degrees off of that right now. There's your forecast, including temperatures right at 82 at 4 o'clock or so. It does look like we are tracking just a little bit ahead of schedule when it comes to the rain. Quick look at the monthly rain, 1.42 inches. We'll likely add to that this afternoon. There's your 7-day outlook. Notice what happens the back half of the weekend. Sunday's high could be close to the 90-degree mark, and we stay warm into next week as well.